Are you sick of waking up feeling like you just ran a marathon? You stare at the ceiling for hours, your brain won't shut off, and when you finally pass out, it's that terrible, restless sleep that leaves you feeling completely wrecked for the entire day. Everyone tells you to just get prescription pills, but who wants to deal with that insane list of side effects, feeling groggy all morning, or the risk of getting hooked? But what if I told you the most powerful sleep remedies on earth aren't in a pharmacy? What if they're completely natural, and your doctor never even brought them up? Today, we're exposing 3 insane, scientifically proven sleep secrets you can use right now. This isn't about harsh chemicals, this is how you get the deep, restorative sleep you've been dreaming of. Welcome back to our channel, where natural wellness meets modern living. Our first secret to a restorative sleep is Valerian Root, the mind quieter. For anyone whose brain starts running 1,000 miles an hour the second your head hits the pillow, you're replaying conversations, making mental to-do lists, worrying about tomorrow. Your body is tired, but your mind just won't quit. The fix could be an ancient herb called Valerian Root. People literally call it nature's tranquilizer, and it's been used for centuries to help people chill out and sleep. Valerian root, from the Valeriana officinalis plant, has been used for over 2,000 years as a natural remedy for sleep and anxiety. Ancient Greeks and Romans used it for restlessness. In medieval Europe, it was known as all heal, and during World War II, it helped calm civilians during air raids. Today, it remains a popular herbal sleep aid worldwide. It's believed to work with something in your brain called GABA, gamma-aminobutyric acid, which is a chemical that helps calm your entire nervous system. Think of it like a volume knob for your brain's non-stop chatter. Now, while research has been all over the place, some studies do show it can help people fall asleep faster and get better sleep. A brand new study published in late 2024 even found that just 1 dose of a good valerian extract led to a major increase in how long people actually slept. It is obtainable both in capsules or as a tea. Taking it about an hour before bed could be the ultimate weapon to silence that mental noise. Just a heads up, it can make some people a little drowsy the next morning, so test cautiously to see how it makes you feel. Alright, on to secret number 2. Maybe you fall asleep instantly, but your problem is staying asleep. You wake up at 2 a.m. and that's it. Your night is over. If that's you, our second secret, chamomile, often referred to as the sleep sustainer, is about to be your best friend. You've probably seen chamomile tea on a store shelf, but I'm telling you, it's so much more than a cozy drink. This little flower contains a crazy powerful antioxidant called apigenin. This thing binds to specific spots in your brain to help crush anxiety and kickstart the sleep process, kind of like how some anti-anxiety meds work. It's a gentle but super effective way to not only drift off, but to stay in a deep, peaceful sleep all night long. And hey, if you're finding these secrets helpful, do me a huge favor and smash that subscribe button. We're always dropping evidence-based tips to help you take back control of your health. And that brings us to our final secret. And this one is all about getting your body's internal clock completely reset. If your sleep schedule is an absolute mess and you can't get into a rhythm, you have to hear this. The secret is melatonin, but not from a pill. While everyone is popping melatonin supplements, you can get the same exact hormone from a natural food, Tart Cherry Juice, often called the cycle regulator. Tart cherries are one of the very few foods on the planet that naturally contain melatonin, the same hormone your brain makes to control your sleep-wake cycle. Multiple studies have discovered that drinking tart cherry juice can boost your body's melatonin levels, leading to more sleep and better sleep. One insane 2018 study found that adults with insomnia who drank about a cup of tart cherry juice twice a day for 2 weeks actually increased their sleep time by an average of 84 minutes. Beyond just melatonin, these cherries also have tryptophan, an anti-inflammatory stuff that helps you rest even better. A small glass in the morning and another one an hour before bed could be the key to resetting your body clock for good. So there you have it. 3 mind-blowing natural sleep secrets your doctor probably forgot to mention. Valerian Root to quiet your racing mind, Chamomile to keep you asleep all night, and Tart Cherry Juice to completely regulate your natural sleep cycle. You do not have to live with bad sleep, you have the power to fix it. By skipping the expensive prescriptions and their garbage side effects and using these proven, natural remedies, you can finally take back your nights and wake up feeling like a new person, ready to dominate the day. What is your single biggest struggle with sleep? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural, healthy living tips. Sweet dreams.